cross check with the ISO drawing and this bill of material details. Okay, next point we will go to the below. So cut pipeline. In this point showing the cutting pipeline, so here also showing the 1 2 3 4 5. So this type of on wire have, so we can see from here on. So this pipe cut length will be 1018 mm. So this is the pipe cut length. Then 2 also the 474. So this is the pipe cut length. So we can see from here 1 2 3 4, and we can see from here 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. So this here showing the pipe cut pipeline. So for fabrication we have to cut the pipe is separately, so we can follow this chart and we can cut initially, then we can start the fabrication. Then this is the pipe size, the in preparation. What will be the in preparation? Here is the mention bevel inch. So bevel inch. So then here writing the PE, the plane end. So this pipe cutting or end will be the plane, and other one will be the BE, means bevel end. So pipe end will be the bevel. Okay, I hope you understand what is the meaning of cut pipe length. Then we will go to the joint information. We can see from here the joint information. So here have the joint number 1 2 3 1 to 11. Then pipe size, weld, what type of will be there, part weld, and what is the stage for welding. So if we see the EJ, that means this is the erection joint. If we see the SJ, this is the shop joint. So spool number, what will be the spool number for this welding? For example, spool 1 we have the 4 joint, spool 2 we have the 3 joint, spool 3 we have the 8 joint, 8 9. So these the things is mentioned in joint information. Okay, how we track this number in ISO drawing, I will show you now. So joint number 1 so this is the joint number 1. This one will be the erection joint, connection with another line. So this is the line number. Then joint 2, this is the shop joint, pipe to elbow. Then joint 3, elbow to pipe. Joint 4 is the pipe to pipe erection joint. Then joint number 5 is the shop joint. So you can see from here also same information is here. So joint 4 is the erection joint, joint 7 is the erection joint. I hope you understand how we track the joint information. This list, how we cross check with our drawing. So if here written and here written a different, then we have to give the comments or we have to correct it as per ISO drawing. So this joint information. So this portion for the joint information, I hope you understand how we find out this joint information by this control box. Then then I will go to the another point in this drawing. Then we can see from here the some penetration joint. So P4, P4, P3, P2, P1. This is the penetration joint. So here have the penetration joint details is there. NB250. The non-tight SL port down. So these the things is penetration. So we have to check the standard also. What non-tight SL penetration, what is the penetration is there. So these the things is for penetration. Then I will go to the next point. So we can see from here we can see this box inside. We can see here I have the joint details. What is the meaning of BW? So we can see from here writing have BW, EJ, SJ. So which one, what is the meaning? These the things here they elaborate. So BW means butt weld, SW socket weld, FL flange joint, CP compression joint, CGP complete joint penetration, THR threaded, SOB branch weld, SOF slip on joint, FW fillet weld, SJ shop joint, and EJ erection joint. So here the joint abbreviation they given, what is the meaning of what type of joint. So I hope understand this point also. Okay, we will go now next point. So in this box inside we are seeing some symbol. So this simple meaning what? This simple meaning the what type of joint of there. If we see this type of joint, so this is meaning the shop weld. Then if you see cross and dot is field weld, so this is the field weld or erection weld, whatever we are called. Then this is the meaning of tag weld. If in drawing the showing this type of symbol, then we will say this is the tag weld. Then socket weld, screw connect joint, compression joint, side connection, then pipe support, legend pipe and trace pipe. So these the simple for these the symbol are used in isometric drawing to identify what type of joint is there. So for example, I am showing you here. So this is the cross, so you can see from here this is the cross, so this is the erection joint. Then we see the normal dotted, yes, this is the 5, so joint number 5 is the shop weld, so this is the shop weld. So during fabrication we are doing the joint, and during erection stage we are doing the joint. So these the things is this box inside they are mentioned. Okay, next point we will go in this corner, the drawing right corner. We can see here is the some information is here. In this corner showing this pipe under design pressure, what is the design temperature, maximum or minimum degree Celsius. So this is the maximum and minimum 5 and 10 degree Celsius. Then design pressure, then bar 3.5 11 bar, this is the bar. Then test pressure, normal bars 5.25 or 16.5. Then test medium here not mentioned, but some cases we will see here the test medium water or oil or air, whatever things here is mentioned. The entity class, what is the piping class or entity class, this, so this is the class 3 piping or entity class piping 3, class 3 piping. So in this pipe any PWST required or not, so here keep the blank, sometime mention the some yes or no, so here keep the blank, so not required for this pipe. So visual inspection, yes, so we have to perform for this all the joints is visual inspection. The specification for this drawing specification is SE21M. So this is the carbon steel piping, chemical cleaning not required, they here keep the blank. Then paint system or color also information is not here, but sometime we can see here have the information is available. Okay, this is the this ISO drawing design criteria is mentioned here, and inspection also. So I hope you understand this point also. Then we will go to the another one, direction. So this box actually mention the direction. So up, forward, starboard and port. So this is the one ship drawing, ship ISO drawing. So here I have the up, forward, starboard and yes. I will try to discuss in my next video tutorial how we will identify this drawing going to where. So this video already I think already more longer, I think you are also feeling the bore. So one more things I will highlight to you here only. So these the things is this corner we can see the printed date, what is the was the printed date 17 December 2018. So these the common things or basic things we have to check in ISO drawing. I think this drawing is the good example for all of you to how to read isometric drawing. So we can see in isometric drawing all these the information is available. So I hope if you watch this video fully, and I think you also you already watch this video full, so I hope you learned something from this video tutorial. I will request to all of you again, please subscribe my YouTube channel. If you think this video is important for you or useful for you, please don't forget to share and subscribe to my channel, and must you give your feedback by comments. Today today I want to close this video lecture. Allah Hafiz. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.